guys, today we're making juice. Juice. Give me the juice. Mama, video mo ko. 3 minutes to.
Teka,
Nasa ano eh.
makabili pa rin ng ano.
3 minutes lang ka ha.
Teka.
Ako na.
Ganun, lagay mo lang
Ako na,
dito,
ako
baka
na.
matapon.
Get it. Oh, and yeah, that's the powder. Powder. Now we need some water. Can you hold the phone for me real quick? Mama, lagay mo dito.
O, ayan na, o, dali.
Is it tall?
Sige. Sige, damihan mo. Sige, lagyan mo. Sige pa. Takot na takot. Sige pa.
Okay.
Sige, lagay mo yan. O, enough na.
Okay.
O, you shake it,
And yeah, and now we need to shake it.
Shake it.
Can you hold full now, bro? Huh? Sumabog yung ano. The ice just blow up. Okay, wait. Where's the ice machine? Give me it. Give me it. Where is
Wala, hindi
it?
na, hindi na pupol. Hindi na basag. Ito na.
Napasag.
Tapon daw ito. O, enough na.
Okay, now we need to put
Ako
it.
na, baka matapon kay ate.
Ako na.
Uy, nakuray ko sandali.
Okay, fine, bro.
Hawak mo.
Okay. Now we need to put the freaking juice over to the ice.
Freaking juice talaga.
Bababa ang electric at kasayan.
Si Mama yon, si Mama yon, si Mama yon. Now we need a spoon again.
Ay, kung matapon. Oo.
Now we need more water and more and more and more.
Malaglag naman yung cellphone, Raiko.
And now we need to stir it with a spoon again.
Malaglag yung cellphone, Raiko.
Because you need to hold it, bro. You're not holding it.
Ba't hindi yung ano?
Oh.